How you guys doing today? Let's get it. Good morning, guys. Let's see what the market wants to do today. It was a little choppy yesterday. Thank God I didn't trade yesterday. You know how that can be sometimes.
Immediate drop off the open.
Just want to see how we respond to all these levels. You know?
Yeah.
Because we're in this consolidation zone. So you never know, it might just be choppy, bro.
Choppolation.
Yeah, it may not be the best thing to trade. Unless you get a very, very clear setup. But we always got to remember not trading is okay. What?
Dropping.
Dropping like it's hot?
Yeah. Kind of want to see what's going to happen at 41.25.
Yeah, for sure. I feel like there's a bunch of levels right now.
Yeah.
That we gotta be considerate about, you know? Alright. What's that? How's everyone doing today?
We keep up, Stewart. Is that guy? Oh, Jimbo texted me.
What do you say?
Oh, I sent his phone number. Oh, thank you. Message request. Low bar.
Curious to really see what happens here. You know?
Yeah. Gotta take it easy since it's the first day back. Alright, let's see.
If you look at the daily, it's kind of showing you something that makes. Yeah. You see it?
Nice little,
Yeah.
wow, it's been on for a while, huh?
Huh?
It's been going on for a while.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It's not very clear what the market wants to do.
You trading also, Kelsey? No.
What did you say?
He said, yeah. The trifecta.
I'm tracking along.
Huh?
I'm tracking along.
Oh, they said you're trying to go long. I was like, huh?
Now we just be patient. How's you guys' week been so far? Can you guys hear me just fine? Mic check, mic check. Can you guys hear me just fine? Oh shoot.
It's good.
Yeah.
This week's been sunny.
Sunny?
Yeah.
It's been early mornings for me this week. Huh?
That's it.
Come on. Oh, there's grace though. Oh, glory to God that you can wake up early. There's news at 7:30.
Uh-oh.
Did everyone do their pre-market plan? I'm just waiting right now. I just want to see how the market responds because we're in a pretty choppy zone. So I just want to see how we respond in this zone. Like yesterday, was there any setups?
I didn't trade this trade.
Me too. There wasn't during our trading hours. currently at a demand level. If you want to see how we draw demands and all that type of stuff, check out our Discord. We have a supply and demand zone section where you can learn from it for free. What?
Channel.
Huh?
Channel.
See, that's the kind of stuff that happens when. Is everything alright? Is the stream working for you?
Yeah.
It is? What?
Yeah.
What are you laughing at? How many?
Hey, Kelsey, can you look at the stream again? On the video. Do you see little circles popping up
Where?
on the video feed?
My camera?
Well, just on the YouTube video.
What is it?
Like little emojis.
Little hundreds?
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
It's just a thing that pops up. There you go.
Bro, that's cool.
There you go. I'll do it.
That's it.
Bro, that's cool.
Well, thanks for all of that. Chat. Sure.
It's probably not. It's weird. Oh, let's see.
If you guys could like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the algorithm. We just want to be able to reach more people. Our streams have been doing much better. When I looked at the analytics, they've been growing. So all of you that tune in and really connect with us, we love it, bro. We love it. So any way we can help you guys, let us know in the comments. Let us know on Instagram, like DM us. We'll always respond to those. Or you can reach out to us on Discord. All those links are below, but we're really excited about what we get to do here. So I just want to keep going and keep growing. Just want to really keep growing it, you know? Hey, we need to post a reel today. We haven't.
Yeah,
Do you have any built up?
I can make a few. Today's another busy day, so after the live, I can start working on
Yeah? Oh, you don't have school today?
it. I do. That's why I said it's another busy day.
Oh, I think you said it's not a busy day.
No, it is. And I have meetings with the school people.
Mine's not working, bro.
Was yours just...
You see how, like, most of the time this is going to be like a continuation, but there's like a 50-50 chance now that it's going to be a continuation versus a bounce, because we're in a consolidation and we just bounced off demand. Like, literally the bottom there is the start of a demand zone.
Volume's increasing.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, on my chart, it is.
What the heck, dude? That was wild, bro. Has anyone taken a trade yet? It looks like it's gonna go down, but you think it's gonna go up? It's a tough one.
It is.
So, just sitting on the sideline right now. Down she goes. It's not happening very fast though. Feels like the market's in slow-mo right now. You know?
Nice.
What?
I said nice.
Nice what?
Nice trade.
The stream?
Took the trade.
You did?
Yeah. Entry was 41. 35.50.
Shorted it?
Yeah. X was 41.29.50.
So that comment made you nervous, didn't it?
Huh?
That comment?
About the 50-50?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, interesting.
It's good. The trend is always stronger though.
Yeah. Should have held, but it's nice. Dang, I keep ripping them, bro. What the heck?
What the heck is wrong with you?
I don't know. My stomach's acclimating again. Oh, dang.
What is TGA Media?
I don't know. Liked by TJ. They're verified.
They are?
Well, they bought it, probably. Oh, damn, they have 10.5 thousand followers. They repost, I think. Yeah,
That's what it looks like.
that's good. Dang, son, we're dropping. Where's he from?
Huh?
Where is he from?
I don't know.
Instagram, Twitter.
Oh. Hold on. There goes that choppiness. Let's see.
Calculation.
Yeah. Cumulative delta made a higher low, so like a bullish divergence. Again, it's still hard to go against the trend.
The trend is your friend. That's what I always gotta remember.
How you doing? This is Thomas.
What's up, bro? What's up, man? What's up?
This is Richie. Kelsey. Thank you, bro. Oh, dang, this is about to get me jacked up. Could you sit right there on the corner?
Yeah, let me just move some stuff
My
over.
bad, man. You good?
No, you're good.
I was gonna sit back there. Right there.
Whatever works.
Yeah, dude.
How do you do this shit?
We stream from 6:30 to 7:30.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it going on now?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it's raw though. That's what I like about it. So
Yeah.
it's not like all formal.
Yeah.
So what is this on?
This is Thinkorswim.
What was it?
Thinkorswim.
Think or swim?
It's by TD Ameritrade.
That's the platform I use to chart.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Which brokerage are you familiar with?
Hugo's Way?
Hugo's Way?
Hugo Way? I think it's called Hugo's Way? No?
Hugo Way, I've never heard
Yeah.
of it. Is it like Forex, dude?
Yeah. I was telling him I've never done stocks. I'm familiar with Forex.
Forex order trading USD GBP or what?
What?
What currency were you trading?
I'll say that, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm that. What was it again? Swim or what?
Thinkorswim.
Thinkers.
Yeah.
We mainly trade futures.
Mm-hmm.
So futures, they're a little similar to Forex. More than stocks actually. So, but we trade the S&P 500, which is like the biggest stock in the stock market,
Okay.
and it's just on futures. But you can actually trade the same index. Like you can trade the NASDAQ and stocks.
Mm-hmm.
You could trade it as an index. You could trade it as a future, and you can trade it as forex. So you'll get the understanding of it. It'll all make sense eventually, like quickly. But what we trade is futures. We just like it the best, but forex is good too. I think forex and futures are probably the best overall, and then stocks.
Okay.
Stocks are like last, I would say, from everything that I've learned.
Stocks are slower.
Oh, really?
Well, no, I'm sorry. My bad. Stocks for like investments, mainly long term.
Yeah, well, people do trade stocks, but I mean, like, as far as the world and what is traded more often, forex is definitely the number one.
Yeah.
It's for sure the number one because it's world currency. Like the stock market is really just extremely popular in the United States.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, obviously the whole world knows about it because it is the biggest stock exchange.
You said Forex was a lot.
Forex is the biggest.
The biggest.
Yeah, forex is the biggest
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, because that's what they mainly do in like England, Britain.
Yeah,
That's pretty much like.
that's the main thing that they trade.
They do. I think it's like USD and GBP.
I mean, there's all types. It's like here, like we mainly trade the S&P, but there's the Russell, there's the Nasdaq,
Yeah.
the Dow, crude oil, gold. Those are the biggest ones, but there's way more. You know, the DAX, which is like super fast moving.
NQ.
NQ is the Nasdaq.
Yeah, it's fast. That was fast.
Mhm.
I heard that was super fast.
Yeah, you can trade that in forex too. It's called the NAS, NAS. One of the guys that we watch and learn from, his name's Javier. Remember? Have you seen that guy? Joovier.
No, I don't think so.
No.
Probably, but I don't remember.
That's what he trades.
The NAS.
You know the day trading addict? Remember that guy on
Yeah,
YouTube?
I remember that.
He trades that. The Nasdaq for forex. So we could all be trading the same thing, but a different way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you could be trading forex. He could be trading futures. I could be trading the index.
Right.
He could be trading equities.
Yeah, I get that.
It's cool. So like, what we teach though is you want to focus on one thing, bro. You want to focus on one thing and you want to master it.
Right.
And we like the S&P because it's like it's a little bit slower, so the learning curve isn't as difficult. And if you just look at one stock every day, the chances of you mastering it or at least learning it is much quicker than looking at a bunch of things.
Yeah, I noticed a lot of people do that.
Yeah, and then they mess up, bro, and like they lose, dude.
What city are you from?
Like where I live.
Yeah, where you stay at?
Right here, what are you?
Nice.
Oh, that's perfect.
Pretty local.
Pretty, you know. A couple feet away now. It's hot. Oof.
You hot?
Huh?
You're hot?
No, I'm saying.
Oh.
Tired?
Yeah, I'm woken up this early since. Yeah. So right here, what do you do?
Just looking.
Oh,
Looking
okay.
for patterns. Like earlier, I took that trade.
Okay.
To the downside. Now I'm just looking for any other. Just mainly looking for setups. Making sure.
Just being patient.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Just sitting, looking for stuff that's happening. Keeping my eye on the market. Also checking the other confluences. So these are all like mega cap.
Right.
So Tesla is like a big mover. And also look at VIX. VIX is a type of indicator. It shows like the volatility.
Okay.
It just shows like, you know, how fast it's moving. ADD shows like an overall trend of where it's going. So,
What's the difference between buying and selling? In simple words, because I don't know any of these big words.
When Brandon's the best at explaining that, honestly.
When you buy it, you want it to go up.
Yeah, pretty much.
When you sell it, you want it to go down.
Perfect.
Simple.
That's the best way.
Yeah. When you buy it, basically just betting that's gonna go up. When you sell, you're saying, hey, from this point, it's gonna go down, so you make money off of that.
Okay, hold on. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Clearly make money in any direction, unless it's going sideways, so it's consolidating.
You can still make money that way though.
You can, yeah.
You can sell.
If it just
sell
goes
options.
sideways like that.
Yeah, you can make money
Yeah.
through options.
Oh yeah, for options. Yeah. So
And then also, what else is going down when it's moving sideways? What else is going down?
the prices of contracts.
Yeah, so what is that? Why does it go down? Why does the price of contracts go down?
Because there's less volatility. There's
Boom.
less movement.
So what is volatility? What is the main indicator for volatility? You just told him.
Consolidation.
No,
Price action.
no.
VIX.
VIX,
VIX.
the volatility index. That's what VIX stands for.
Yeah.
Volatility index. So you can short it.
You can short VIX.
Yeah, you can trade whatever you want, bro.
Well, I didn't know you could short VIX.
Yeah.
What the heck? I thought it was just like an indicator, like ADD.
There's futures VIX. There's like VIX. You can trade whatever, bro.
I didn't know that.
What are some common mistakes that you see a lot of people do?
Buying and selling when they're not supposed to.
No, they overtrade.
Yeah.
We all make that mistake.
Yeah. And thinking that they know more than the market.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah,
they start
that's-
thinking, so
yeah.
like, oh yeah, bro, this looks like it's gonna go down. Yeah, it's gonna. Alright, I'm gonna sell. Boom, it goes up.
Yeah.
You know, just not looking at not looking at supply and demand.
And then you get murdered.
So it'd be good to just study it for like a minute and just learn the patterns.
Honestly,
Even,
What you should do.
Well, even that, like it just, if you look at it, like if it's going in one pattern, it just might make a new whole other pattern. So it's like, you know,
Yeah,
That's true.
you're right. So, paper trade.
yeah.
paper trade.
The best. How's the fastest way to learn in the world? Like in the world, it's through. What do you think?
I guess doing it. Well,
Yeah.
As far as for me.
Like through experience, right?
Yeah.
Like through actually doing it. So there's a way to actually trade without putting on risk. It's called paper trading. You're trading with fake money, but you
Oh, like
treat
a
it.
demo account.
Yeah, exactly. But you
Okay.
treat it like it's a real account. You
Oh.
track your trades. You study them.
Yeah, I used to do
It's
that
like an
when I
art.
had to trade it for.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's
Yeah.
what I was like.
exactly. And then once you get some consistency there,
Mm-hmm.
then you go to a live account. And there's another learning curve there. Like there was, so I went from like paper account to did all the whole process, right? And then one of the recent ones that I had to conquer was going from just trading normal to trading in front of the world. And then that's a whole nother emotional
Yeah.
roller coaster that you got to conquer.
Right.
You know what I mean? It's like
In front of the world, as far as like YouTube or
YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook. We're trading on all of them right now. Anyone can see it.
Yeah.
So it's like there's nothing to hide. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, I see what you're
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
like there's nothing to hide. If I have a losing trade, oh well, like the whole world sees it. It's not just like me, like now I
winning
mean,
every day, yeah.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot of winning days, like a lot, but it's like it was a whole nother emotional thing. Like knowing in the back of my mind that there's people watching me right now.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And people judge you. So it's like a whole nother level of conquering fear of man. You know what I mean? Like not giving a crap what people think. Genuinely doing this because I want to help people.
No, yeah.
Because barely anyone does this. Like really nobody does this. Trades live, they make you pay them
Yeah.
just to trade live. You know what I mean? People only pay us to learn.
Exactly.
to really learn how to catch a fish rather than feed them the fish.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, that makes perfect
That's why
sense.
we do. That's how we've structured our academy
Mm-hmm.
to where we give away as much as we possibly can for free. But if you want the real gold,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the real deep stuff, like how to really be successful, not just the fluffy things that you see on YouTube and all that, that's what you pay for.
Okay.
We want to teach you how to really become a consistently profitable trader. That's what we do. That's what we charge for. You know what I mean?
And what is how does one sign up for all that?
Oh, that's simple. That's just on our Discord.
Oh.
Yeah, there's just a link, 4 links. You should join our Discord, huh?
I probably will.
Yeah.
And in Discord, you just ask questions, or do you FaceTime? How does that go down?
Yeah, just ask questions. We answer all of our questions on Discord and Instagram,
Okay.
like DMs.
And you know which accounts are like the real ones that are inside Discord. Or
No,
you
I
know-
mean, like fake people.
Yeah, you know.
You don't necessarily know,
Okay.
but we have
We have some.
a bot on ours where it says Kingdom Trading, and no one can really replicate that.
Perfect. Okay.
And then only one Braden, myself, has access to do certain things. So if there's comments in a certain channel
Right.
that says Braden, then you know it's me because I'm literally the only one that has access to do anything. You can like do permissions, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like certain people can do this, certain people can do that,
Okay.
certain people can see this. Like we set it up to where once you become a paid member, there's tiers to it, and every tier that you bump up, the more you get unlocked in the Discord.
Unlocked for what? Just.
More information.
Oh.
So like there's more channels. So what we have a $15 a month membership
Okay.
just for you to for people to build a foundation, like to get it going.
Mm-hmm.
And they have less access than the $124 a month.
124 a month.
Yeah, so there's a 15, a 30, 124, and then a 500.
Okay.
And each one has more access. And on the Discord, every time you pay a little bit more,
Right.
you get more of the Discord unlocked. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like as more as you pay, I mean,
Yeah,
the more you get fed.
yeah, exactly.
Okay. Interesting.
The chart patterns looking like the
Oh,
calm
man.
before the storm. The calm before the storm.
Yeah, there's no setup for me though.
Look at the 1 minute.
The 1 minute?
I don't even want to look at the 1 minute.
Uh-oh. If you know, you know. Now the real question. Puts or calls? No.
There it
There we
goes.
go. See what happens. Could be a false breakout.
I don't know.
And what's the difference with my bad to get off.
Yeah, you get
What's the difference between? Oh, see, he's gonna come out. What's the difference between them being solid like that and hollow? Or does that even mean anything?
Well, solid is mainly just the selling candle, and the hollow is mainly just the buying candle.
Okay.
There's not really
Anything like major?
no, it's just showing the difference between.
Oh, okay.
Because if it could be both solid too, I think, but
Because you can set up like your own little colors and all
yeah,
indicators.
it's
All your preferences.
Yeah.
It's settings or something where you can change it. You
Mhm.
can even have them like in blue and orange or all kinds of colors.
It's a tough moment because we're in demand.
Yeah,
You know?
it's kind of indicating to the upside.
You think so? Because the
Yeah.
liquidity grab?
Yeah, not only that, but the candles are tapering down. The yellow candles,
Like a falling wedge?
something like that.
Oh, the histogram.
Yeah, histogram.
Oh, yeah.
They're kind of tapering.
but it's also like a falling wedge. And the volume on the green candles are kind of higher. But ADD is breaking lower.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Bet that wig got a lot of people in.
Order filled.
There's that red candle. Oh, nice.
So do you try like minute, my day?
Kind of all of them. I mean, I just look at the different time frames. You can use all of them. The only thing is that the 1 minute's kind of like,
It goes too fast?
yeah, it's like super fast. So it kind of shows you just a short-term picture of what's happening. It doesn't really show what's going on like long-term. That's why I like kind of use the 2 minute.
Stop
Just
filled.
because it's kind of like the best of both worlds. Shows what's happening now. And also like pre-market, I use the 20-day 1 hour. Because it just shows like overall what's going on in the time market.
You can see the patterns way easy.
Yeah, you can. Like right now, this is what I mean, but we're at that key level, that zone. Because, I mean, earlier this week we were at that level, so we came up, now we're coming back down. So that's why this area is like, well, we either bounce back up
Or it goes like that.
or continue down. Because it's happened before this level. I mean, came down, rejected, came back up, and then just went boom, boom, then came back up.
Just shot right at them.
Yeah, they consolidated around that level, tried breaking out.
Consolidated means like it was just
Yeah, so consolidation means it's just going sideways.
okay.
So that's consolidation.
Wow.
80% of the time, 80% of the time in the market, it's going sideways. And for that 20%, it's going down. And that 20% mainly happens within like the first like 3 hours of the market being open. So a lot of stuff happens. Millions and millions and billions of dollars being traded from 6:30 to whenever.
Yeah,
it closes.
billions.
Billions, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Billions of dollars are being just. So there's money to be made.
Oh
It's
yeah.
literally there's money to be made. It doesn't matter. There's always money to be made.
You think it's important? You think it's more important to learn the patterns or just like make up a strategy in your head? Because you know how I said earlier, it's like if you learn a certain pattern and you just go a way different way, like you're like, oh wait, now I have to think about a different pattern. Or I think it's better to just like have it.
Honestly, I feel like towards the beginning, patterns will help you out a lot. Like I still use patterns. Like I use this pattern right now. This is a flag, so a bearish flag. I use that pattern and I took my trading one down. So patterns are super useful. But if you're just using patterns and then you're not also looking at like supply and demand zones, you can see a pattern and then take a short and also you hit supply and it goes back up. So I feel like supply and demand and patterns are good to know. What do you think, Braden?
What?
The things that a beginner trader should first learn? If it's patterns or stuff like that.
Yeah, that's helpful. I think it's helpful. I think all information is good. I think the most important part is focusing on one thing, one stock, or one index or one forex and one time frame. I think that's most important.
Yeah. So patterns, supply and demand, and stock.
Yeah, and like one setup.
Yeah, because if you start trying to look at all these different setups, you're just gonna your brain says, "Oh, this looks like this. You know, it looks like that. You know, it also looks like that. You know, it looks like that."
And you're trying to just figure out every single pattern.
That would have been a good trade.
Upside?
Yeah. Yeah, it's tapering all the way down.
Mm-hmm. Volume's good too on the upside. Oh,
Mhm.
dang though.
Oh, damn, look at that. What about 20 points?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, wait, we're getting close to 7:30.
Yeah, we got 13 minutes.
What news was it?
It's nothing crazy.
Oh, yeah, then you also have to take into consideration days where news comes out. Days where news comes out. So news is like when data comes out. You know, like all kinds of stuff, because it could really affect how the market is acting. Because let's say,
I saw something completely different about the news, but
yeah, well, because the news, news as in like when certain data comes out, FOMC, housing prices, interest rates, stuff like that. When it gets released, that has a big effect on the market, because it could either make it jump 50 points in like 50 seconds, or make it drop 50 points in like 50 seconds. So you don't want to be trading during that news, because it could affect your entire trade. There's a lot of stuff, but for the basics, patterns, supply and demand. There's some videos I could recommend about supply and demand if you like.
oh yeah, please.
What happened? Oh. Honestly, the hardest part about trading, the most important part, is just waiting.
Yeah.
Just wait.
And that must be a pain if you're not patient.
Yeah, dude, if you're not patient, you'll get humbled by the market real quick. Real quick, you'll get humbled.
He's not joking, bro.
We're all not joking. We're not joking at all. You can enter into a trade, you're like, you know what? Alright, it looks good. Boom, enter. It's just instantly down like $250.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so patience equals, prosperity. Patience equals profitability.
There you go, that's better. You with your fancy words. It's just not the best market right now.
Mm-mm.
ADD is still going down.
Yeah.
So is cumulative delta.
So is it just mainly the news that affects it, or does like social events too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like say like there's like a big boxing match or something.
That I'm not too sure about.
Depends on what it's connected to.
Yeah.
DraftKings will go crazy.
Oh yeah, like the streaming
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah. Any other news, like news about big companies? So like mega cap. So like Apple's a big mover actually. So if news happens about Apple,
Oh yeah, Apple sells every day.
It moves the whole market.
it literally moves the whole. What was the percentage? It's like something crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
It's like a huge percentage at Apple will literally move the whole market. Let's see. What is it right now?
Oh, all the markets?
Well,
Just the
like,
S&P
the
500.
S&P 500.
Oh, okay. Dang. It is on that. Apple has a big impact on that.
Yeah, dude, for real. Yeah, I started noticing sometimes is that if Apple's green, then the S&P will also be green. If Apple's red, sometimes the S&P will also be red. It's just crazy.
So they're kind of like alike, in a
Yeah.
sense.
Well, they're similar.
Mm.
It's just another thing they could use to help you trade, to help you take trades.
Oh, 2 minute.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
No. When we say stuff like, oh, 2 minute, oh, if you know, you know.
Order filled.
This right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'll talk more about. We can talk more about that after.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just kind of like one of those
Little phrases, yeah.
one of those hidden gems, you know, that we use.
As long as you guys understand. That's all good. Because right now, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll talk more about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Huh?
The 1 minute.
What about it?
It's been like that since like 7:05 a.m.
Oh, yeah. You might get a slight bounce before.
Order filled.
I thought the bounce already happened.
I know, but like, look. It's like holding the 22 level.
It is. The candles are closing and opening closer to it.
Yeah. I think an opportunity will present itself though.
Mm-hmm.
Like eventually. What? Are you in?
Yeah. I took my check earlier at like 6:45. So I'm in no hurry.
It's good. Oh shoot. Time to wake up.
I was to make sure I was up and didn't miss the excursion on Tuesday.
Oh really?
Yeah. Traveled all the way to Rosarito, then Ensenada. They went to like some lobster places, ate like a bunch of lobster, so it was cool.
Oh, is that cool?
Yeah. Pretty chill.
I bet.
Very relaxing. Yeah, one thing that I did when I first started is I was coming in here every single day. Every single day I was coming in here and just looking at the market. Just looking at it, just having my eyes glued to the screen, burning it into my retinas. Literally. And then one thing that I really paid attention to was price action. So one thing I use now is just trading off of price action. That's the main thing that I do. Then also patterns. Or just the way it's moving, you know. Just getting familiar with how it moves. Knowing when it's a good time to take a profit, knowing when it's a good time to enter. All that comes to price action as well.
No, please correct me.
Order filled.
Isn't that look the same to them?
Yes,
Or am I just
in a way.
like just the pattern of it? Isn't that like the same thing I can Or am I just overthinking it?
It's similar. You wouldn't be wrong.
Stop
The
filled.
only difference, you're talking about this, right?
Yeah.
This and this. The only difference is that this is more slower. So we're kind of able to. We can make a little bit.
No, I don't want to think. Yeah.
No, you're good. You're good. I already took it.
Okay.
So I'm good for the day, but this is kind of faster, so it's harder to make a decision based off of this movement because it's happening so quick. With this, it took longer to happen, so we're able to make the decision because it's taking
Order filled.
So it's quick. Because the faster something happens, you have less data to make a decision on.
Right.
So we have less data right here, opposed to right here where we have more data. Kind of know what I'm.
No, yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get you. Damn.
So that would be the difference.
So then, how could you tell? How could you tell? You can't really tell. Huh?
What do you mean?
You can't like how can you tell when it's has more data here? My bad. More than over here.
Well, the main thing is because look at the count sizes and how quick they're moving and how crazy they are compared to right here where they're slow and they're smaller. So it's slower, so it's not moving as quick. Opposed to right here where it's just huge candles and they're super fast.
We get again, you're still gambling it if it goes. I mean, if they have like a big candle or a little candle.
Well, gambling, mainly it's just gambling is pretty much just sending out an order, just hoping for the best.
Oh,
That's gambling. Alright, come let's buy until it happens. That's gambling.
okay.
And here we're making calculated risks, calculated decisions. So we take all these things into consideration before we place our trade. So we're not gambling. We're actually,
Yeah, you quote unquote know what you're doing in a sense.
in a sense, yeah. Taking calculated risks, calculated decisions.
So you think it's better to trade with a group or just by yourself? And hope.
It's definitely great and awesome to have a mentor when you trade.
Right.
Because you try doing it on your own, it's gonna take longer, it's gonna be harder, and you can lose a lot more money. Opposed with a mentor, they already went through all that struggle. Like Brandon, who went through all that. He's losing money and losing trades and knows how to handle certain situations.
Brandon?
Let's go.
Yeah, dude.
Really? No.
He went through all that. That's why he made the academy so that we don't have to do that.
Yeah, I can imagine how much of a surprise it was when I first had it.
The what?
No, I'm just saying, like you said, Braden had he already went through all that. And I was just saying, man, I could imagine how much of a surprise it was, like when he didn't know.
Yeah.
And it would have been like crazy.
For real. We're up at 41:30.
I see that.
Dang.
What?
It's 7:30 now.
Oh yeah, news. All right, I'm ending the stream.